Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for you. If you're looking for the best makeup brush in the market, look no further than the flat-top Kabuki Foundation Brush by Kashima. Stay tuned to discover why this brush is a game-changer for your makeup routine. Let's dive right into the details of this amazing makeup brush. The Kashima flat-top Kabuki Foundation Brush is designed to give you a flawless makeup application every single time. Made with super dense, premium quality synthetic fibers, this brush is incredibly soft and feels just like real hair, ensuring a luxurious experience. But what sets this brush apart? Well, for starters, it provides even, streak-free, and patch-free applications. Whether you're using liquid, cream, powder, or mineral foundation, this brush has got you covered. Worried about shedding? Don't be. All Kashima brushes undergo a 7-step manufacturing process to prevent shedding. That means you can trust in the durability of this brush to last you a long time. No matter your skin type, whether it's oily, combination, sensitive, dry, or normal, this brush is versatile enough to meet your needs. It's an all-in-one tool for applying foundation, blush, cream, contour, and highlight. The Kashima flat-top Kabuki Foundation Brush is available in different styles and sizes, so you can choose the one that suits your preferences. Whether you prefer a regular-sized brush or a larger one for faster coverage, Kashima has got you covered. Another customer mentions, it applies your foundation smoothly and holds just enough on the brush to create a smooth finish. So, there you have it. If you're in the market for the best makeup brush that delivers a flawless finish every time, the Kashima Flat Top. That's all for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next episode.